Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn counting the numbers 1 to 10. Let's find out some color names. Orange color, red color, blue color, black color, lemon yellow color, light green color, poster red color. Let's start the video, kids. One, O-N-E, one. Two, two, two. Three, three. Four, four. Five, five. Six, seven, SEVEN, seven. Eight, EIGHT, eight. Nine, okay kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay kids, please like my video, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow for more.